Ayan, we're live. Welcome to another book talk here at Eight Letters Bookstore and Publishing. I'm your host and creative director, Cindy Wong. And with us today, we have a very special guest. These are the authors of Take Two, Sir Leo and Miss Vine Kimson. But what is Take Two all about? Let me read a little bit of intro, okay? So, life doesn't come with a rewind button, but you can take a second shot at faith and purpose. In Take Two, Sir Leo and Miss Vine Kimson serve as your guiding lights, sharing real talk advice and uplifting insights to help young hearts navigate life twists and turns from questions about faith to everyday struggles. They're here to remind you that you're never alone. Ready to find strength, wisdom, and a renewed sense of direction? So you've got to hit pause, take a deep breath, and step forward with faith in God by your side. Ayon, welcome to our book talk, Sir Leo, Miss Vine. How are you doing po? Ayan, nakamute po.
Hi,
Ayan.
Cindy. Hello po. Good day. Happy to see you
Ayan.
po.
Yun. And thank you rin po sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. So, ayan, we're going to deep dive po sa bago niyong book na, well, na-launch siya during the MIVF last September. So, sabi dito, it Take Two, Guiding Faith and Life, Insights for Youthful Hearts. Ayan. So, papakita po natin yung book. Ayan po siya. So, pero bago tayo mag-deep dive, kilalanin muna natin kung sino ba si Leo and Vine Kimson. So, kasi I understand po na dalawa kayong author dito sa book na to, right? So, pero before that, have you always thought na magsulat ng libro, mag-collaborate? Kasi you're also partners in real life. How was the, ano po, siguro, mag-umpisa tayo sa pinakasimula. Saan muna kayo nagkakilala? Ayun.
Wow. Talagang deep dive yun, Miss Cindy. Okay.
Tama.
Hindi ba tayo nagkakilala? Ayan. Hello to our viewers. Siguro sa akin muna magsimula. No? Ako po si Sir Leo Kimson. No? So, isa po akong teacher. No? I'm a catechist, no? From so umpisa po talaga, no, I taught at Paco Catholic School, no. Anong taon na nga ba yun, Miss Bay? 2010? Ay, parang ayoko na mga maalala, Miss Cindy, nakakaano sa edad. Okay, year 2010. Then the following year, doon siya ngayon dumating, si Miss Vine. Yeah. Doon kami nagkakilala. Ayan. O, ituloy mo naman. O, ano nangyari doon?
Uh, pagka-introvert po talaga kasi ako na type. So,
Opposite.
we're exact opposite. No, but then, we met in 2011. So we were there as a religion teacher, no, in Paco Catholic School. And then we started like as friends, and then afterwards we of course we're co-teachers, no, teaching about the faith. And then after like 2013 or 2014, I'm not so sure.
Nakalimutan na namin. Hindi, joke na. Hindi. Mga around 13 yun. Yan. Doon na nagbunga yung panliligaw ko kay Miss Vine. Ayan. Doon na kami naging lovers. Ayan. And then, fast forward tayo, year 2017 when we got married. Yan. So, by this year, siguro ilang, 8, no? Turning 9. So, ganun na, no? Nakatagal yung aming, patience.
With each other.
Ayan. Tapos ngayon po, currently, we're still teaching, no? I'm currently teaching at De La Salle University in Laguna, no? Laguna campus. And my wife is currently teaching at
Grace San Agustin Makati. So I'm part of the grade school department. Like I've been there for 4 years. Yeah, from Paco Catholic School way back 2022, no, I transferred to Colegio San Agustin Makati.
Yes.
Yeah, up to the present.
Yes. At ako rin naman, before I entered DLSU Laguna, I also taught at UST, University of Santo Tomas, for about ilang years naman? 7 years.
7.
Yeah. Mga 7 years sa senior high school. Yan. Shout out sa mga taga-senior high.
Oh, wow. Diyan natin makikita na ang mahaba ninyong or yung experience nyo talaga when it comes to teaching religion and of course yung sa mga youth talaga. Pero di po ba parang malayo kasi si Sir Leo sa sa Laguna and then si Miss Vine ay sa Makati. Tama po ba pagkakarinig ko?
Yes po.
Oo, malayo talaga. So yung isa sa inyo bumabiyahe ng maaga talaga.
Yes.
Oo.
Definitely.
Ay. Opo. So, ngayon po, I'm looking at the book itself na Take Two. So, yung time na yon, since you're celebrating, sabihin natin, 8 years na kayo, yung project ba na to, is it like umusbong na lang siya bigla? Or talaga bang maraming nagpupunta sa inyo para makakuha ng advice?
Actually, totoo rin yung sinabi mo, Miss Cindy, no? Bigla na lang siyang dumating, no? Bigla na lang dumating yung opportunity, no? Actually, we will try to trace back, no? It started around 2023, I think, 2022 or 23, when we started writing an article in a youth magazine, no? Thanks to Sir Rene Carvajal, no, for discovering us. Ayan, doon niya inoffer sa amin yung yung article na Take Two. Doon talaga nagsimula yon, Miss Cindy. Yung kinausap niya kami, and he told me, he told us that Leo, Vine, baka gusto niyo magsulat, no? Bagay kayong mag-asawa dito, no? Ang title is Take Two. So there will be students or kumbaga yung mga young people na they have questions in mind, not only limited on faith but also in daily living, no, in their daily struggles and experiences in life. So maganda yung side mo and side niya. Kaya siguro doon na buong mahal na yung Take Two. Okay, so kumbaga merong marireceive na insights, no? Kaya nga Insights for Youthful Hearts, no? Tapos Guiding Faith and Life. So hindi lang siya about our belief, no, in the divine, but also it's a sort of guidance, no, for us, no, lalo na pag mga kailangan natin ng mga kailangan natin ng enlightenment, no, ng advice, no, sa buhay. Yun, ganun siya. Doon siya nagsimula. Doon talaga siya nag-ugat. Then later on, ayun, nagbukas itong opportunity with 8 Letters Publishing. So, yun talaga. We're so thankful on this big, masabi na natin na milestone, no? Kasi talagang hindi namin nakalain na makakapagsulat kami ng libro, di ba?
Yeah, that's right.
Ayun. Siyempre, of course, we're very happy na you have entrusted your book with 8 letters. Ngayon, siguro pag-usapan naman natin kung ano yung nasa loob naman ng libro. Kasi sabi dito, you mentioned na pareho po kayo nagbibigay ng advice. So, parang, kumbaga, let's say, sabihin na natin there are 2 sides. So, Leo's side and Vine's side. Hindi po ba minsan nagko-contradict yung mga advice nyo somehow? Or sa tingin nyo, because you've been together for so many years, somehow nagko-combine na lang yung mga insights nyo or like they complement each other. So, paano po kaya yun? Pareho ba kayo ng tingin or opinion, perspective sa bawat case na hinahandle nyo?
Ayan. Ladies first muna, Miss Cindy. Si Miss Bay nang sasagot niyan. Okay. Actually, napakaganda nung question. No? It's about, actually maraming nagtanong yan, Miss. No? I mean, kahit nung sa MIBF, sa launching, marami ring nagtanong na, I mean, how was it? No, paano nangyayari na 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 ah, 'di ba nag-a-advise kayo? Hindi ba kayo nagkokontra, no? Actually, no, if when we're in the process of writing the book, and I was also no in the articles in our youth magazine. So may times na meron nga dito I believe no in this um kumbaga in one of the articles na in one of the chapters na magkaiba talaga, pero ang nakakatuwa dun, Miss, um there's beauty in difference, no? If example, a person wanted to seek for enlightenment or to seek for an advice, then uh nagbigay ako ng side, tapos narinig niya rin yung side ni Miss Vine. So okay, different sides. So now what will fit, I mean what will be the best advice for me? Parang gano'n. Kumbaga, ano yung mas makakatulong sa akin? Kung magkaiba man sila, so ano yung mas swak sa akin? So, yun yung narinig namin na ilan sa mga feedback. Natutuwa daw sila. Sabi pa nga nung isang bumili, no? Isang nakakita na ng book namin, parang ano pa lang daw, umpisa pa lang daw nung aming pagbibigay ng advice, parang may kurot na, no? There's something already. Sabi namin, ala, hindi naman namin, alam niyo yun, Nisi, parang hindi naman namin sinasadya, pero bakit ganun yung impact sa kanila? So, magkaiba, yes, pero siguro sabi ko nga, sabi rin ni Miss Vino, kumbaga, it's the work of God talaga. Work of God. Ano yan, kilos talaga ni Lord na paano niya natatouch yung hearts ng mga readers po namin. You want to add something?
Yeah. So sorry. Actually, for the book po, that's true that we have different views, no, just like a man and a woman, no. But then, in the book, it's emphasized that not it's not parang hindi ibig sabihin mag-asawa kami na pareho yung views namin. At times we contradict, but then at the end of the day, no, we compromise. And also, pagdating po sa book, there's a man and a woman's perspective at the same time. And also, it takes experience also, no, to guide some young people. And also, it's not that easy, no, it's not that easy. And also, siguro it goes with the age, no, it goes with the age that we're able to guide our students, no, and as you have known, we have been in the profession for like 14 or 15
15
years, no.
years.
So
Yes.
technically our students were like yeah, nag-age na po din sila, no, and same with us, no. But then the good thing is that hindi naman po sila nakakalimot, and at the same time we welcome them with open arms, no, to really guide them and to give them some advices, no, based on our experiences, based on what we can give. Yes.
So, bigyan po siguro natin ng example yung mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. Isa kasi dito, like sa unang case nyo, it's entitled, well, The Case. Tapos, I'm Not Good Enough. Ito ay sinulat ni Ella. So, siguro po, basahin ko ng konti and then pwede nating basahin din yung inyong response kay Ella. So, ito yung problema niya. So, I'm Not Good Enough. That is the title. Good day. In all honesty, I'm not comfortable talking about my personal problems, especially this one, but I realize that getting great advice will be a big help to me. I've been battling with myself alone, and I think this is the time I should let it out and share it with you. I had never questioned my self-esteem before because I felt okay with myself, and I'm doing well in school. However, I realized that whenever I want to do more or explore more, I always have doubts about whether I could do it. At first, I ignored it because maybe that was just normal, but it only got worse until I started holding back and stopped doing the things I like because I keep listening to the voice inside my head telling that I'm not good enough. I compare myself to my cousins and friends, I also have a hard time socializing with other people because I feel less than those around me. I don't hate myself, but I hate the feeling that I'm not worthy. What should I do to let go of these toxic beliefs and the burdening thoughts so that I can start loving myself more again? Thanks, Ella. Ayan. So, turn nyo na po. Ano po yung mga advice nyo kay Ella based doon sa book?
Actually, Miss Cindy, isa yan sa mga pinaka-touching. No? Kaya nga nilagay namin sa unahan. Kasi talagang naging malapit din. Naging malapit din talaga. One of a kind na talaga na naging estudyante namin si Ella. No? Si Ella ay noong I believe grade 3. Grade 3 yata naging estudyante ni Miss Vine. Then ako naman naging estudyante ko siya nung high school. No, tapos ngayon nagbigay siya itong tanong na ito. So I'll just read some of my my advice to her, no. Sabi ko dito, "Hi Ella, how are you? I hope your family and loved ones are okay, especially in these trying times. So first, I admire your honesty and courage for sharing this difficult experience of yours. Upon reading your letter, I can tell that you've been carrying this burden for a long time. Remember, Ella, you're not alone. You're not the only one who is experiencing this hardship, especially during the teenage years. As your teacher and as your friend, I want to share with you some things to ponder about life. I hope they will help you realize that you are someone loved by the Lord." So parang doon pa lang ako sa take ko, parang yun yung gusto ko kagad ibigay sa kanya, no? Kasi dito nakita natin talagang I'm not good enough. Doon kagad yun yung lagi niyang hina-highlight. Yung parang hindi siya sapat, hindi ako okay. Maybe she didn't give the details, no, but maybe she has talagang mga difficulties and struggles in maybe in her family or even in her personal life. So ang naisip ko kagad na gusto kong ibigay sa kanya is kailangan ko itaas yung kanyang confidence and believe sa sarili niya, no, na siya ay talagang mahal ng Diyos, no? You are treasured, you are loved. Kaya biglang pinasok ko dito yung sinabi ni Saint Catherine of Siena. 'Di ba? Sinabi ni Saint Catherine na you are beautiful, you are loved, and you are forgiven by the grace of God. So doon umikot yung aking sharing, no? Then nagbigay rin ng advice si Miss Vine, no? And let me read also, no, on her behalf. Sorry, medyo may cough lang si Missy. Sorry po, no?
Opo, pareho
Okay.
na po kami.
Grabe, Miss. Maybe because of the season. No, ayan.
Totoo
She's
po.
here already.
Ayan,
Ayan. Kaya
ayan
mo
na.
naman. Take 2. Okay.
Thank you.
Diba? Kaya maganda yung title, no? Take 2. Sige, kayang-kaya yan. Okay. So ano daw yung advice mo naman kay Ella? Okay.
So if you have read the book, no, well, my advice here, actually, if I could still recall, if I can still recall that this article, no, so happened that this article I mean, this situation happened during this time na merong it's not okay. It's okay to not be okay. It's like
Yeah.
a Korean novela. So yung version pa nun Korean pa po yun, hindi pa po yung Filipino version. So I took the scenes and of course the inspiration, no, from this, since of course we know na these young people, no, are really in real life experiencing this kind of reality, no. So a part of it I injected in my part of advice, no, for them to relate somehow their life experience, kasi alam naman natin na they are more of Korean novelas, 'di ba? So Filipinos are really lovers of Korean novelas. So I see to it that these advices can really relate into real life and their experiences as well, and most especially, no, when they happen to see these movies or series, no, they will not forget their own experiences as well. And with inspiration, of course, of Saint Therese, no, our favorite saint, no, of course, yung mga pinanguhugutan natin, 'di ba, sa buhay, no? Most of the time are inspired by our love for the saints, love, uh, and the eagerness also, no, for us to share our faith and our faith journey with these young people. And with Ella, um, it's very the scenarios, the advice that I gave her is kumbaga parang realistic siya kasi it's really happening. It says here now, always remember that you can do more than what you can imagine. So young people nowadays, including Ella, no, can really relate on this reality. And uh, I am inciting here, I mean expressing here in this part that despite, no, the fact that she is experiencing these kinds of things, she can still be able to love and to show love. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin that we are struggling, no, we can no longer make others feel that we love them, that we value them. So um, and also to give emphasis that everything that we do should always be a product of love, and because of love we are driven because of love. So kumbaga parang everything, no, will fall into place because we are loving, we are a lovable person also.
Amen.
Tama yan. Ako, alam mo, sa totoo, nakaka-relate ako kay Ella. Itong problema niya, it doesn't matter kung anong age ka, but I feel like pwede mo itong ma-feel na you're not good enough, whether you're a young adult or even as an adult or even as the head of the family, pwedeng-pwede mong ma-feel yan. So, ang masasabi ko lang dito, etong libro na to, hindi lang siya para sa mga youth, pero pwede rin siya sa mga matatanda kasi halos lahat ng mga situations po dito ay well, applicable din sa mga edad natin, ganon. So,
Kaya youthful hearts, di ba, Miss Cindy, no? Youthful.
Tama. Very, very timeless yung etong book na ito. So yun, first case pa lang po yan ng book. So dito sa mismong book, medyo marami-rami kayong tinackle na mga problems, like from love, meron dito yung about anxiety and question like why do we pray? Eto, marami pang iba. Ayoko nang i-spoil. Pero ano po yung gusto nyong ma-feel ng mambabasa kapag nabasa nila itong libro na to?
Ako, personally, that there will always be hope. Kaya may kita niyo doon sa cover, no? Ayan, no, may kita niyo. Bukod sa green, no, symbol of hope. Di ba, nagbibigay siya ng light. Yung parang nasa crossroad siya. Tapos the Lord guides us, no? So, in our journey of life, lagi talagang may pag-asa, no? At sana yun yung mararamdaman at yun yung marirealize din ng aming mga readers, no? Actually, may isa pang ako gusto i-share, mahal, no? Yung isang nakabili na rin ng aming book na meron siyang pinagdadaanan, no? Noong time na yon, parang nagkasakit siya. Tapos matagal na niya, siguro mga around a month already na nabili niya yung book, kaso hindi pa niya nababasa. Hindi, as in, nabili lang niya, pinakita niya, Sir Leo, Miss Vine, ito, nakabili na kami, nakabili na ako. Pero siguro talaga may proper timing. Tapos nung nagkasakit siya, na dapat meron siyang gagawin or meron siyang kailangan tapusin or what, pero bigla siyang nagkasakit. Tapos parang wala siyang ibang magawa kundi magstay lang sa kwarto niya. Doon niya ngayon nakita yung book. Tapos sakto, ba't ako natili? Hindi, di ba? I mean, that's the grace of God eh. Di ba? Hindi mo, you cannot really dictate kung ano yung kayang marating ng grasya ng Diyos, kung saan niya gustong dalhin, no? Yung kung ano yung kaya mong ma-share. Tapos, doon niya pa binuksan doon sa part na yun na yung pala, meron siyang problem about prayer. Wala na siyang time, wala na siyang moment of silence and giving time for God. So dun pa sakto na buksan yung doon sa importance of prayer at talagang napathank you talaga siya sa amin. Ako personally, minessage din niya na, Leo, grabe kayo. sabi ko, ma'am, ano ba? Hindi po kami yan. we are, kumbaga siguro kami instruments, no? Instruments of God's hope and love, and siguro dagdag ko na rin God's mercy for everyone. Ikaw, Vine.
Yeah, that's right po. So, based on our experiences as well, no, may mga co-teachers din po ako kakilala na nag-purchase na ng book that then the very first time nila na nabuksan, no, as in umiyak talaga. So, kami din actually, we are wondering why, bakit. Kasi ito, sinulat namin to out of our love for the work we do, no, from the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, no. But then these people are the simplest and humble people who followed us, who are journeying with us, and what we want them to really feel also, no, but then more than what God would want them to feel as well, because it's the Holy Spirit, just like what Leo said, no, that the Holy Spirit is the one working with us, especially that this book is not purely about inspirational, it's more of a faith, a journey of faith, if I may say, no. It's a journey of faith. It's a product of experiences as well as personal,
Correct.
personal yung atake. Ganun po. Kasi pag nabasa mo tong libro, parang may personal siyang touch sa'yo as well.
Yeah,
Kasi
correct.
kahit yung title pa lang na Am I Not Good Enough? So, there will be times in our life personally that we will ask ourselves, no? Diba sabi niyo nga po, Miss Cindy, that am I not good enough, no? Hindi lang kay Liza Soberano, kapalit-palit ba ako? Hindi lang gano'n, no? But then yung reality ng gano'n. So we want our readers to really feel grounded and feel like we are journeying with them, no, kahit sa book lang, di ba?
Correct.
So even if physically we're not around them, but then reading our book, no, makes them feel that we are with them. And these times, mahirap kasi makahanap ng, di ba, totoong kaibigan. May hugot ako dun. Totoong kaibigan. Di ba? Totoo naman. Di ba, Miss? Hindi, you can parang seldom ka lang makita talaga ng kung sino talaga yung kaibigan, totoong kaibigan mo. No, but then here, now we would like them to feel that we are your friends. We are here. Oh, di ba? Totoo.
May hugot.
So that's it.
May hugot. Pero
Oo,
totoo yan. Totoo po yan kasi at my age po, siguro syempre nung mga bata-bata pa, like mga high school or college, syempre barkada, may mga tropa. Pero once na you get to the age na, you have your priorities, medyo nag-iiba na rin po talaga yung, hindi na kayo makapag-bonding, iba-iba na. So, minsan, tatanungin mo sa sarili mo, should I still reach out to this person? Ayan, mga ako na manghihingi ng advice. Should I reach out to this person? Kasi baka hindi naman siya makarelate. Like, I mean, I have a family na baka siya, baka nandun pa rin siya sa partying stage or something like that. Hindi na kami magka-level. May mga, totoo naman, may mga ganun issue naman talaga. Pero, through this book, if you need any special advice, then I think they can refer to this book.
Yeah, correct yan, no? Talagang, meron pa nga mga instances, Miss, na yung biglang, talaga bang, di ba, yung parang, ba't ganun na yung nagiging impact. hindi natin talaga masabi, no? Basta mahalaga lang that you really did your best, no? Na ito yung naisip namin, ito yung kaya naming mai-share. Then, si God na yung bahala eh. Siya na yung kumikilos eh. No? Doon sa mga estudyante namin, even doon sa mga kaibigan namin, na mga bumili rin ng book. So, yun din yung
It's
kadalasang comment nila.
yeah. It's actually for us. It's more than a book. No, it's more than what a book that you can sell, a book that can earn. No, it's more of, maybe we can say, a share of our, a piece lang,
A piece of
a
our,
piece lang. Kasi alam naman natin na marami namang talagang mas may malaki pang kontribusyon sa mundo, sa faith, no? But it's like a piece of what we can share for other people,
Yeah,
no?
correct.
Kasi we cannot really totally share what we have kasi we don't have, no? But then a little bit of what we can share, no, to other people. And many friends are asking us, no, although syempre, nandun sa point na hindi sila makapaniwala, ay, may book na kayo, parang hindi sila makapaniwala, hindi sila makaano. Actually, kami din, hindi rin po kami
Totoo.
makapaniwala that we have this book, no? But then, it's like, parang, dun sa kabila nung hindi pagkapaniwala na yon, ay pinapapaniwala kami. Kami ang pinapapaniwala ng Diyos that we can do more than we can imagine. So, 'di ba? Nandun yun sa first you can think more
yung first article.
than what you can imagine.
Correct.
Kasi we cannot even imagine no, ourselves talking to you. We haven't
Yes.
imagined that in the reality of what we have right now. No, but then yeah, we are here. So yeah, just a piece of what we can share to the world, to the readers, no, that even them, no, if they are also parang nangangarap din sila. So sila din, pwede din silang
Pwede.
makapagsulat or to share something about themselves, about anything that they can just go to 8 Letters Publishing. O, diba? Nag-promote.
Ayan, tama nga po. Kasi actually, this is the time where I'm supposed to remind everyone na pwede nilang makuha yung book, makabili sila ng book sa aming website, so 8lettersbooks.com/shop, sa aming Shopee, sa Lazada, ayan, at sa iba pa po naming platforms. Abangan nyo po dahil, marami tayong pakulo or just watch, stay tuned sa iba pa naming mga announcement about sa book na Take Two nila Sir Leo and Miss Vine Kimson. Ayan, meron po bang okay, last question na, meron po ba kayong like sabihin nating upcoming book, upcoming projects? Gusto niyo pa bang magkaroon ng Take Two, Part 2? Ganyan.
Actually, Miss Cindy, may nagtatanong na.
Oo,
may
yun
part
po.
pa to. We'll see. Tingnan natin. Only God knows.
Yes.
Only God can tell. Pero
Yeah.
if He wills, why not? No? Mas masaya, di ba?
Opo. And
Oh.
syempre the version na ito is really timeless, no, kasi this is the first ever no version. So we can really kumbaga, anong title nito, deep dive. We can dive really into the second part if we will read first the first part, di ba?
Yes, correct. Mm-mm. Usually nagkakaroon ng sequel pag patok yung una eh. Syempre, di ba? We'll see. Tingnan natin. No? Pero we're so, ito na rin kukunin namin opportunity, Miss Cindy, no, to give thanks, no, and to show our gratitude, no. Syempre, unang-una to God, no, to this talent, to this grace, no, that He gave to us, no, opportunity to serve. Parang teachers din kami dito eh, no? Hindi lang classroom setting but classroom about life, no? Sa pamamagitan ng librong to. Then secondly, we want to express our gratitude to 8 Letters. Thank you so much talaga. Sabi nga niyo nga, Miss Cindy, di ba, inakala niyo mang mangyayari to. Di ba, nag-usap na rin tayo before, Miss, hindi namin nakalain na magkakaroon rin kami ng libro. And we will never make this, no, without your, kumbaga, yung generosity, without your help and kindness po for us, ng mga neophyte no? na writers in this beautiful world no of sharing our experiences no, of faith. Then syempre po hindi natin kalimutan yung mga ano rin po naniniwala sa amin no yung aming mga kaibigan no yung mga estudyante ng mga kasamahan mga kapamilya at mahal sa buhay no that they supported us no on this endeavor. And wag din natin kalimutan mahal syempre yung mga nagsulat o yung mga kasi walang take two kung wala sila.
Yes.
Oo, yung mga nag-open ng sarili, yung mga talagang nag-reach out. Yung iba nga dyan, Miss, hindi sulat. Talagang after class, may times humahabol. Di ba? Miss Vine or Sir Leo, ganyan. So, yung mga tipong ganitong experiences, very random. Pero it really means a lot. It really means a lot for us na talagang we find this opportunity to share God's hope no and yung grace no na in our daily living talaga. Yeah. Kaya thank you Miss, thank you for this opportunity and to all of us.
Ayun, thank you rin po sa inyong generosity at sa inyong pagiging appreciative din po sa buong team ng 8 Letters. Sa totoo lang po, marami din naman talagang gustong magsulat. But then, of course, nasa ibang effort level yung like getting your work out there. So, it's actually because of you na lumabas yung libro ninyo. You know, it's because of you, because of the two of you, dahil you really pursued na mailabas itong libro. So, ayun, maraming salamat po, Sir Leo and Miss Vine, ayan, sa pagpapa-unlock sa aming invitasyon para magkaroon tayo ng, maikling deep dive ng Take 2. Marami pa sana tayong dapat pag-usapan. Pero, abangan na lang nila yung mga susunod pang mga information tungkol sa Take 2 at kung magkakaroon man ng part 2 dahil I'm sure maraming nagtatanong dahil baka may iba pa silang problema na kailangan nila ng solusyon. Ayun. So once again, please get a copy of Take 2. Available yan once again sa aming website, Shopee, Lazada, and sa iba pa naming platforms. I believe nandito rin po yan sa Reco app. So, paki-check po yan. Kung gusto niyo po ng ebook, supportahan po natin ang sariling atin. So, Reco app. Ayun. Thank you so much po. Sir Leo and Miss Vine, saan po namin kayo pwedeng i-follow?
Yun, opportunity na rin. Thank you, Miss Cindy. No? Meron kaming Facebook page, no? Yung Love, Leo Vines. Yan. So, Love, Leo Vines. So, nandun din yung aming mga kumaga sharing of inspirations, no? And yun din, yung about the book, no? Yung mga reviews, nandun din, Miss Cindy. Nako, kaya you can follow us there. And
Instagram, same.
sa IG rin pala. Wow. Ayan. So, you can follow us, Leo Vines. Okay.
Ayun, sana po marami pa kayo matulungan sa libro na to. At syempre sa iba pa, i-approach na po sila sa mga school nila. So, yun po. Once again, maraming salamat sa nanood ng ating Book Talk /Deep Dive. I'm your host and creative director, Cindy Wong, and I hope to see you again po next time sa susunod nating Book Talk. Salamat! Thank you po, Sir Leo, Miss Vine.
Thank you.
Bye!
Thank
Bye
you.
po!
Thank you, everyone.